Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a sales schedule for a category. In our example, we'll use the breakfasts category. First, open the Slimrate system on your computer. Go to the Inventory section. At the top, select the Categories tab. Find the Breakfasts category. On the right, click the Edit button. Scroll down to the Visibility Settings block. Change the mode from Manual to Schedule. Now, click the Add button to create a new schedule. Check the box next to the desired day of the week. You'll see a clock icon appear. Click on it. In the pop-up window, select Set Specific Hours. Set the start time and the end time. If needed, repeat these steps for other days of the week. When you're done, click the green Save button. We've now saved the schedule we need. Don't forget to click the second Save button in the bottom right corner. That's it. The category will only be visible during the selected days and hours. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.